Okay, question 7 from assignment 3 then. Okay, part A, you're told the most expensive seats at the concert are £120. Seat A is £120. Seat C is a fifth of whatever A is. If that's 5 lots, that's 1 lot. So to find seat C, we'll do 120 divided by 5, which is £24. Seat B then is 3 times whatever C is, so 24 lots of 3 is £72. Part B is a wee bit different. We're told the number of each type of seats are in the ratio 2 to 5 to 7, and altogether there are 21,000 seats. So if we start by adding 2, 5 and the 7 together, that gives us 14. That means we need to split this into 14 equal parts, because here we've got 14 equal sections. So we do the 2,000, I'm saying it wrong again, the 21,000 divided by 14, which is 1,500. Okay, so seats A then have 2 lots of that. So we're going to do 2 lots of the 1,500, which is 3,000. So there are 3,000 seats at A. Tickets at A cost £120. So 3,000 times 120 is £360,000. Seat B is 5 lots of the 1,500, which is 7,500. So there are 7,500 seats. Each seat is £72 for B. So that will give us £540,000. And seat C has 7 lots. 7 times 1,500 is 10,500. Tickets at C cost £24. So we're doing 10,500 times 24. Which is 252,000. To get the total cost then, we add up these three. Which is 1,152,000. Okay, hope that helps. If not, please get back in touch.